Want to roast a turkey, air fry crispy fries, or dehydrate healthy snacks, all with one sleek appliance? This Emeril Lagasse Everyday 360 stainless steel air fryer is your kitchen's new MVP, blending chef-quality performance with countertop convenience. This 9-in-1 powerhouse, backed by Emeril's trusted name, uses 360-degree quick cook technology to deliver delicious, low-fat meals up to 40% faster than traditional ovens. In this Emeril Lagasse AirFryer 360 review, I'll reveal why it's a must-have for families, foodies, and anyone craving versatile, healthy cooking in 2025. Let's dive in. Why the Emeril Lagasse AirFryer 360 shines. This isn't your average air fryer. It's a 9-in-1 culinary beast that replaces multiple appliances, from convection ovens to dehydrators. With an extra-large 930 cubic inch capacity and 12 preset cooking functions, it's built for everything from family feasts to quick snacks. Its stainless steel design screams sophistication, while Emeril's 360-degree quick cook technology ensures crispy, evenly cooked meals with up to 70% fewer calories. Here's what makes it stand out. XL capacity for big meals. Perfect for roasting a whole turkey or feeding a crowd, with room for up to 6 slices of toast. Healthier cooking. Cuts fat by up to 70% using superheated air, no oil or grease needed. 9-in-1 versatility. Air fry, bake, rotisserie, dehydrate, toast, broil, slow cook, pizza, and more, all in one machine. Chef-quality design. 5 heating elements and 360-degree airflow. Mimic commercial ovens for professional results. Easy to use. LCD digital display with 12 presets simplifies cooking, even for beginners. Tackling. Kitchen pain points. No more greasy frying. Ditch the oil splatter and guilt. This air fryer uses 360-degree hot air to crisp foods, slashing fat by 70% for healthier fried chicken or fries. Appliance overload. Solved. Replace your toaster, oven, and dehydrator with this all-in-one unit, freeing up counter space. Time-saving magic. Cooks 40% faster than regular ovens, so you can whip up a rotisserie chicken or pizza in record time. Uneven cooking woes. 5 heating elements ensure every dish, from roasts to desserts, is cooked evenly, no flipping required. Key features. That wow, the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer 360 is loaded with features that make cooking intuitive and fun. Here's what sets it apart. 360-degree quick cook technology. 5 super powerful heating elements and whirlwind airflow cook food evenly, delivering crispy results without oil. XL 930. Cubic inch capacity, handles large meals from whole turkeys to family-sized pizzas with ease. 12 preset cooking functions. Choose from air fry, bake, rotisserie, dehydrate, toast, broil, pizza, slow cook, and more via the LCD digital display. Stainless steel build. Sleek, durable, and modern, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. Complete accessory kit includes a crisper tray, rotisserie spit, pizza rack, baking pan, drip tray, and Emeril's recipe book. Trusted Emeril quality. Backed by chef-grade design and construction for lasting performance. Benefits that make it a game-changer. Why choose the Emeril Lagasse AirFryer 360 over other air fryers? These benefits seal the deal. Unmatched versatility. With 9 functions, it handles everything from slow-cooked stews to dehydrated fruit, replacing multiple appliances. Healthier. Tastier meals? Enjoy fried foods with up to 70% less fat. Perfect for health-conscious families. Family-sized convenience. The XL capacity and fast cooking make it ideal for gatherings or weekly meal prep. Who's it for? The Emeril Lagasse AirFryer 360 is perfect for large families and hosts. Its XL capacity and versatile functions make it ideal for big meals or entertaining. Health-conscious cooks? If you want crispy foods with less fat, this air fryer delivers without sacrificing flavor. Busy home chefs? 12 presets and fast cooking save time for those juggling work, kids, or social plans. Kitchen upgraders? Its sleek design and 9-in-1 functionality replace outdated appliances in style. My hands-on experience. To give you the real scoop, I tested the AirFryer 360 across multiple functions. Air-fried zucchini fries were crunchy and golden in 12 minutes with zero oil. The rotisserie spit turned a pork loin into a juicy masterpiece in 50 minutes, and the pizza setting nailed a crispy crust pie in 15 minutes. The included recipe book, penned by Emeril, was a game changer. I followed his jerk chicken recipe, and it was a flavor explosion. Cleanup was a breeze with the drip tray and dishwasher-safe accessories. My only quibble? The unit size might crowd smaller counters, but for its capabilities, it's worth it. Compared to competitors like Ninja or Instant Pot, the Emeril AirFryer 360 offers more cooking modes and a premium stainless steel finish at a similar price point. It's a standout for families or anyone wanting pro-level results. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.